What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to talk about ARC Document Solutions. Once again, that's ARC Document Solutions with the ticker symbol ARC. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, ARC Document Solutions closed at a price of $3.85. It's up 0.26% yesterday in Thursday's trading hours. Now guys, I'm making this video not because I want you to buy ARC Document Solutions. I'm just sharing you some good news that I found out regarding ARC Document Solutions. Okay, I'm not trying to solicit or asking you to buy. This is not financial advice. Like I said, this is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so if you go to fintel.io, once again, the short interest for the stock is only 1.03%. Off-exchange short volume ratio is 39,124 shares. Off-exchange short volume ratio of 58.44%. So guys, this is not a short squeeze play. This is but I could see that this is a possible multi-bagger, like a potential gold mine, however you want to call it. Like I said, I am looking to establish a position in this stock as I find this stock very interesting. Okay, so if you go to a market beat, for the 5-day performance is 2.39%, 1 month performance is 2.39%, and the 3 months performance is 5.77%. Year-to-date performance is 10%, although your 1-year performance is 71.11%. So basically here, guys, in this chart, it's all green across the board, but this is based on the 1-year performance is based off from April of last year. Yeah, comparing it to April of this year. Okay, so I have two articles for you regarding ARC Document Solutions. Okay, so first of all, it says here, investing in ARC Document Solutions a year ago would have delivered you a 74% gain. Okay, so these days, it's easy to simply buy an index fund and your return should match the market, but you can significantly boost your returns by picking above average stocks. For example, ARC Document Solutions. So this is not that, guys, this article is not from me. This is from Yahoo Finance. Okay. Share price is up 67% in the last 1 year, clearly besting the market return of around 0.6%. If it can keep the outperformance up over the long term, investors will do very well. Looking back further, the stock price is 58% higher than it was 3 years ago. So like I said, when we start talking about the stock, me and my friend, it's roughly I think in the cents area, 98 cents a dollar, I think. Okay. So it says here that ARC Document Solutions was able to grow earnings per share by 50% in the last 12 months. Their earnings per share growth is significantly lower than 67% increase in the share price. So it's fair to assume the market has a higher opinion of the business than it a year ago. Okay, so also I have seen an analyst YouTube that reviewed this stock, right? Stock for him is a buy, right? So we will check that later in Market Beat. So what about the dividends? So when looking at investment returns, it's important to consider the difference between total shareholder return and the share price return. The TSR incorporates the value of any spin-offs or discounted capital raisings along with any dividends, based on the assumption that the dividends are reinvested. Arguably, TSR gives a more comprehensive picture of the return generated by a stock. As it happens, ARC Document Solutions TSR for the last year was 74%, which exceeds the share price return mentioned earlier. This is largely as a result of its dividend payments. So guys, if dividends is not included, it's roughly 71%, right? So as you can see here in Market Beat, like I said earlier. Okay, so continuing with the article, it says here, while it's worth considering the different impacts of market conditions can have on share price, there are other factors that are even more important. Okay, so also, just so you guys know, yesterday the market is entirely red. Okay, the market is entirely red, but ARC Document Solutions is green. So the usual stuff that we see green and is soaring high yesterday are two kinds of stocks. It's the the biotechnology stocks, or stocks that are very much involved in the medicine area, right? So biotech stocks and oil plays. So definitely we have two kinds of problem going on in the world right now. So first is the pandemic that so here in my place, it's totally open now, but in most of the places they have a lot of restrictions. So So the cure is, of course, medicine. Okay. Second is the tension between Russia and Ukraine, right? So they have sanctions for Russia. So definitely, oil plays will go up. So those are the two stocks that are arguably they're all green yesterday, but okay, Arc Document Solutions is green. Okay, it's just waiting there for you on the sites for you to pick it up as a stock. Okay, okay, and that could be proven right in your portfolio. I'm not sure if what kind of place are you guys in, but definitely Arc Document Solution is something to take a look at. Okay, so if you go to your analyst ratings, okay, oops, let's close that. Analyst ratings. Okay, it says here that analyst target price of $20. Okay, that's 419.48% upside. Okay, there you go, guys. So that's the analyst rating consensus for ARC Document Solutions if you are interested. Now, one of our guys here, our favorite friend, Investopedia. This article is written in April 4, okay, and it was written in Investopedia. It says here the article it says that penny stock to watch in April 2022. Okay, Arc Document Solutions. Since Arc Document Solutions was featured as a penny stock to watch last month, so March, it's another penny stock to watch. So from Investopedia now, April it still stands the same. It has soared nearly 19% as positive sentiment continues to grow around the name and its turnaround story. Upside potential is still abundant. There you go, guys. Here, based on the group's rapidly improving fundamentals. So guys, this stock is not very popular among retail investors, but I really hope that in the future people will find value in this stock because as I mentioned earlier, smart money will think like smart money. One of these days, who knows, this could be one of those the big dog, the beast, the banner, right? So one of these days, who knows that this could be that kind of stock, right? And Investopedia is a very smart it's a very smart website. Everybody likes Investopedia, and he is talking about Arc Document Solutions. So guys, we are now back to my favorite part of the of this video. It's the technical analysis. So as you can see here in the daily time frame, we're in a very beautiful chart of Arc Document Solutions. Okay, so it is in the upward upward pattern, as you may say. Okay, so I have uh, you can clearly see here that it always makes higher highs and higher lows as soon as it reaches and it's totally respecting your 200 EMA as soon as it goes almost right above your 200 EMA, it bounces up. It goes to your 200 EMA, it bounces up. See, that's a very beautiful chart, and this is I hope that some people would consider taking a look at this stock once again. So in the daily time frame, as you can see, this certain candlestick, we'll try to break that down. As you can see, the VWAP appears in your 4-hour time frame. So VWAP, it totally respects your 9 EMA. How that's absolutely beautiful. So as soon as it touches your 9 EMA, boom, it moves right back up. Okay, so it could be this is a potential bull flag pattern. So like I said, in this chart, everything is very bullish. Okay, the VWAP is right above your 200 EMA. Your 50 EMA is right above your 200 EMA. So including your 9 EMA, it's very bullish across the board. So think about this: if more volume comes into this stock, I absolutely think that this stock will go straight to the moon. Okay, because if retail investors will start noticing this stock, I think that's another story. Okay, so and now let's go to your 1-hour time frame. In your 1-hour time frame here, it's still the same. Okay, so we might want to take a look at now at your resistance and support. So your support is around still at $3.71. That's your support for this stock. Okay, now, the resistance is around $4.23. That's the current resistance. So I pointed out in my previous video. Once we get around that area, so it's up to you if you might want to enter a position and put your stop loss around 10% below it. Okay, so. And that's absolutely amazing. Like I said, once we reclaim that area, we could have another potential move to the upside. So guys, if you like the information and analysis that I have provided you in this video, once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.